Hey guys, what is up? I'm got a couple of Munchling containers here, and I'm gonna be opening them for you. These are the different options, and I'm hoping for either Wally or Daisy. So let's open the first box. The can. See what we got. Oh, it's a sushi roll Mickey. Cute. This is actually red rose sushi roll Mickey. I'm not sure what he's supposed to smell like, but he just smells like baby powder at the moment. Now to open the other one. These boxes are really hard. And we got Minnie.